Every shape placed on a drawing page has a default format. MyDraw allows you to customize your shapes by making them patterned and colorful, with different shadows or border lines. In this way, your drawing can attract attention, hold interest for longer, and help the reader understand data more easily. Under the Home tab, in Shape Style group you will find tools that you can use to change shape's appearance. Select the shape that you want to change. Choose Geometry Fill. You can apply solid color, or choose between different gradients, hatch fills and even custom image. When it comes to formatting the lines in a shape, there are various attributes you can modify to achieve different style shapes. For example, you can change outline color, line thickness, dash style. To try these styles, select Geometry Stroke from Shape Style. Select Color. Change Width. Choose Dash Style. If you want to customize more your shape outline, click on More Options button. Format caps and line joins. If you like your new shape style and want to apply it to other shapes, you can use Pipette to copy the style, and Brush to paste it. Both of them are in Shape Style group.